Most people see the beauty of nature, but they don't really think about the design of it. Everything's been touched by design. Every petal of a flower, every leaf on a tree, they all have this intended purpose. It's so magical to see it. I create paintings and prints based on the natural world in Greenville, South Carolina. I consider myself a forager because I go out and find the things that I need to creatively survive. The whole process starts with sketching. I love to be loose and free and see the organic shape of my idea come out. And I'm just thinking about the intention of every line. For example, feathers are so cool because every fiber has intention. I'm doing some final drawings and I transfer those onto the linoleum, and from there I carve the image, and that can take some time. It's tough to carve, but I love the challenge. From there, we ink the block that I've carved. Then I put the paper onto the ink and I send it through my press. And then the big reveal happens when you peel that paper off the block. It's magic. It's fun every single time. Every time you're like, oh, it worked. My work is centered around the exploration of the grandeur of nature inside something really intricate. One of my favorite prints is a scarab beetle. I carved some South Carolina mountains into its back. I really love the idea of putting something grand and loved inside of something that isn't. Thank you guys so much for coming to class today. There's 3 people over here and 2 people right here. See all the cool different leaves? There's even some grass. So go ahead and pick something to draw. Good choice. I believe that art is for everyone. So I teach. Everything that you leave behind is going to receive the ink. So you lift and push. I love children's curiosity. Like, it'll dry out and won't be as shiny when you're working on it. I think we take for granted as adults that we've seen things so many times before. We want to have a nice even coat, so that's why we use. No matter your age, we can stop and find beauty and creativity in your own backyard. Ginkgo leaves, their texture. Cicada wings. The pine needles, they're perfect and straight. The shell is beautiful flow. And time, you don't have to have hours to devote to your creativity. I am a mother of 3, but I intentionally make time for beauty in nature. Let's see your blocks. Oh, amazing. And use my passion and talent to create a life for myself and my family. Greenville is very lucky to be surrounded by such beauty. We have to look for something else. We have to forage. Maybe we have to move the sand.
This one big. I'm digging.
Oh, Ellie, look. This is a walnut thing.
Pack it.
No, it already is. It's just a half one. What shape is it? What shape do you think it is? As a family, we love to forage together.
Was it worth it for the view? It all looked good from up there.
It's so great to be able to take the kids out and take the time when you don't even have a lot of it. And their honesty and their reaction to things, it's electric. And it inspires me as an artist to bring that energy back into the studio.
It made a mark upon the paper, a mark that could not be rubbed out.
When I'm creating my art, ultimately I want people to feel that connection that I feel to our natural world. And to create a moment where they slow down and they take it in, and to spark that love and desire to protect our environment.
It all comes and goes.
I can't imagine doing anything else with my life.